What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Des the District, and I'm here with another video. I know it's been a minute. So I started my channel in 2023, the second half of it. And one of my main goals was to make content online and be paid for it. And, shortly after just publishing a couple videos on here, I found an opportunity known as TikTok Shop, and the gold rush just started on that platform. And so I went all in. What goes on in TikTok Shop is you're partnering with brands, you're getting paid a retainer rate, whether it's a couple hundred, a couple thousand, and the range is so wide of how much one singular brand can pay you on a month-to-month basis just to create packages of 10, 20, 30 videos, and keeping that up long term. And that for me became my primary income source in such a short amount of time, because it was the early stages of TikTok. Before I was getting sent 20 samples per week as well, just meeting certain requirements for brands that they ask you. The good thing about it is I was able to do it across multiple accounts, and really I think this is one of the best ways to make money in 2025 and beyond, because there's going to always be brands looking for creators, and the ceiling for it is just endless. I've also been helping people that are in my circle as well, and so I've now got a couple of my friends involved, and they're also making a good living off of it. But I do want to return to making this something that I'm in for the long haul, like YouTube, and also teaching people how I was able to make content for brands or make content online and monetize it, and building a community on here as well, and seeing what other opportunities can arise with me putting myself on YouTube more frequently, because I've only done a few videos in the past, but I know that if I can just be consistent on here, I can build a community. So that's ultimately what I want to do, and I want to hold myself accountable to doing that, because it's so easy to get wrapped up in the other things that I got going on simultaneously with this. But I want to put this towards the forefront because I know that my passion really lies here. And I just want to show more business, lifestyle, and just really getting from where I am now and just where I want to be in life, and just continuing to document that process and continue to add like-minded people to what I'm doing and see what other doors and avenues open up. So it's going to be beautiful. Stay along for the journey. We can just build a nice tribe and rock out. Peace.